Why are you so upset? Don't do it. No. Stop. What's wrong? Why are you upset? We were just cuddling. Yeah, you're fine. No, okay. Okay, this is unnecessary. Yeah, I was reading that book, and now, okay. Why are you so upset that I decided to read? We can still lay together. No, you're exaggerating. You're being dramatic. You're fine. Stop. Why are you being like this? I'm just trying to read my book. We can still lay together while I read. No. Stop.